Hello, this is David Das. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to list the Warren Buffett stocks which are currently trading below $10. This is particularly useful if you have a smaller account. Please do your own research before investing in these stocks. Your investment objectives and financial situation may be different from Warren Buffett. At the time of recording, we have published data of Warren Buffett holdings from Q4 of 2022. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so that you are notified when I publish new videos. The first stock in this list is New Holdings Limited with a ticker symbol of NU. As of February 14, 2023 close, the stock was trading at $5. New Holdings Limited operates as a digital financial services platform and technology company primarily in Brazil, Mexico, and Colombia. The revenue of this company has been steadily growing for the last few years, while the earnings have been negative and trending down. The technical chart indicates that the stock has been trending down and has formed a strong support at $3.50. The second stock on this list is Stonecore Limited, traded in Nasdaq with a ticker symbol STNE. As of February 14, 2023 close, the stock price was $9.76. Stonecore Limited provides financial technology solutions to merchants and partners to conduct electronic commerce across in-store, online, and mobile channels in Brazil. The revenue of this company has been growing steadily since 2018. The earnings were positive and trending up from 2018 to 2020. The company had negative earnings in the year 2021. The technical chart indicates that the stock price peaked at $95 in early 2021. The weekly chart shows that a strong support exists at $7 to $8 range. The next company on this list is Liberty Latin America Limited. They have Class A and Class C common shares traded on Nasdaq under the symbols LILA and LILAK respectively. These two types of shares are in Warren Buffett's portfolio. These two stocks have been split off from the parent company Liberty Global in January 2018. As of February 14, 2023 close, LILA stock price was $9.15. LILAK stock price was $9.17. Liberty Latin America Limited, together with its subsidiaries, provides fixed, mobile, and subsea telecommunication services, mostly in the Caribbean, Panama, Puerto Rico, and Costa Rica. The company also operates a subsea and terrestrial fiber optic cable network that connects approximately 40 markets. Their revenue has been steadily growing for the last few years. However, their earnings have been negative for the years 2018, 19, 20, and 2021. The 5-year weekly charts of LILA and LILAK have been trending down. Their 52-week low have been $5.90 and $5.88 respectively. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you liked it. I will see you in the next one.